Are dietary supplements really the secret to unlocking a healthier, more vibrant version of ourselves? Come on a journey with us as we dive into the realm of promises and possibilities, exploring 7 controversial supplements, each said to be nothing more than a mere illusion. Together, we'll embark on a quest to discern fact from fiction in the captivating world of dietary supplements. Number 7. Garcinia Cambogia. Garcinia Cambogia is a tropical fruit extract that gained popularity as a weight loss supplement due to its active compound, hydroxycitric acid, HCA. The HCA in Garcinia Cambogia is believed to inhibit an enzyme called citrate lyase, which plays a role in fat production. As a result, it was thought to promote weight loss by reducing fat formation in the body and suppressing appetite. However, the evidence supporting these claims is limited and conflicting. Some studies have shown modest weight loss effects, while others have found no significant difference between Garcinia Cambogia and a placebo. Moreover, potential side effects such as digestive issues and interactions with certain medications raise concerns about its safety. As with any supplement, it's crucial to approach Garcinia Cambogia with caution and prioritize lifestyle changes, such as a balanced diet and regular exercise, for sustainable and healthy weight management. Number 6. Conjugated linoleic acid. Conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, is a type of polyunsaturated fat found in meat and dairy products. It gained popularity as a weight loss and body composition supplement due to studies that suggested it could reduce body fat and increase lean body mass. However, while some early animal studies showed promising results, human trials have produced mixed and inconclusive findings. The weight loss effects of CLA in humans have been modest at best, and some studies have even reported potential adverse effects on insulin sensitivity and lipid profiles. As a result, the efficacy of CLA as a weight loss supplement remains uncertain, and it should not be considered a magic solution for shedding pounds. Rather than relying solely on CLA supplements, individuals looking to improve body composition should focus on maintaining a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity. Number 5. Biotin. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7 or H, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a crucial role in various bodily functions, including the metabolism of carbohydrates, fats, and amino acids. Biotin deficiency is relatively rare, as it is naturally present in many common foods, and our gut bacteria can also produce small amounts of it. In recent years, biotin supplements have gained popularity as a solution for promoting hair growth and improving the condition of nails and skin. However, the evidence supporting the use of biotin for these purposes is limited. While biotin is essential for healthy hair, taking additional supplements is unlikely to have a significant impact on hair growth, unless an individual has a diagnosed biotin deficiency. In fact, excessive biotin intake may lead to false results in certain laboratory tests, which can cause misdiagnosis or other health issues. Number 4. Collagen supplements. Collagen supplements have become increasingly popular due to claims that they can promote youthful skin, joint health, and overall well-being. Collagen is a vital protein that provides structure and support to various tissues in the body, such as the skin, bones, tendons, and ligaments. As we age, our natural collagen production decreases, leading to signs of aging like wrinkles and joint stiffness. Collagen supplements, typically sourced from animals like cows or fish, claim to replenish the body's collagen levels and improve skin elasticity and joint function. While some anecdotal evidence and small-scale studies suggest potential benefits, the scientific evidence supporting the effectiveness of collagen supplements is still limited and mixed. Some studies have shown modest improvements in skin elasticity and hydration, while others have found no significant effects. Similarly, research on collagen's impact on joint health remains inconclusive. As with many supplements, individual responses to collagen supplementation can vary, and it may work better for some individuals than others. To ensure optimal skin and joint health, maintaining a well-balanced diet with adequate protein intake and taking care of your overall health are crucial factors to consider alongside collagen supplementation. Number 3. Branched-chain amino acids. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, are a group of essential amino acids, including leucine, isoleucine, and valine. These amino acids are particularly popular among athletes, bodybuilders, and fitness enthusiasts due to their role in muscle protein synthesis and potential to reduce exercise-induced muscle fatigue. BCAA supplements are commonly marketed as a way to enhance athletic performance, promote muscle growth, and aid in post-workout recovery. While BCAAs are indeed important for muscle protein synthesis and repair, their supplementation may not be necessary for everyone, especially those with a well-balanced diet that includes sufficient protein intake. Most people can obtain adequate BCAAs from protein-rich foods like meat, eggs, dairy, and plant-based sources like legumes. Therefore, for individuals with a balanced diet and sufficient protein intake, additional BCAA supplementation may not provide substantial benefits. Instead, focusing on a varied diet, proper hydration, and an appropriate exercise regimen can effectively support muscle health and overall athletic performance. Number 2. Green coffee bean extract. Green coffee bean extract is derived from unroasted coffee beans and is often marketed as a weight loss supplement due to its potential to impact metabolism and fat burning. The extract contains a higher concentration of chlorogenic acid, a compound believed to influence glucose metabolism and reduce the absorption of carbohydrates in the digestive system. As a result, it was hypothesized that green coffee bean extract could aid in weight loss and improve body composition. However, while some initial studies showed promising results in animals, the evidence supporting its effectiveness in humans is limited and inconclusive. The majority of human trials have been of short duration, included a small number of participants, and had varying methodologies, making it challenging to draw definitive conclusions. Additionally, the weight loss effects reported in these studies have generally been modest. As with many weight loss supplements, a healthy and balanced diet combined with regular exercise remains the most reliable and sustainable approach to managing weight and overall well-being. Number 1. Glucosamine and Chondroitin. Glucosamine and chondroitin are dietary supplements commonly promoted to support joint health and alleviate symptoms of osteoarthritis, a degenerative joint disease that causes joint pain and stiffness. Glucosamine is a natural compound found in the cartilage of joints, while chondroitin is a component of connective tissues. The idea behind supplementing with these substances is to provide the body with additional building blocks to support cartilage repair and reduce inflammation. However, the scientific evidence regarding their effectiveness remains mixed. Some studies have suggested that glucosamine and chondroitin may have mild benefits in reducing pain and improving joint function, particularly in individuals with moderate to severe osteoarthritis. On the other hand, other research has shown no significant difference compared to a placebo. The variability in study results could be attributed to differences in dosage, the quality of the supplements used, and individual variations in response. If you enjoyed the content and want to stay updated with more exciting videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for tuning in. Wishing you a wonderful day.